I'm Canadian immigration lawyer Mark Holthe, and this is Wild Tips on Immigration. This series is all designed to help you guys avoid the wild things that are happening in Canadian immigration. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Mark Holthe, Canadian immigration lawyer, back with another wild tip on immigration. Today, I'm recording this from the trail leading up to Crandall Lake in Waterton, where I had a phenomenal day fishing. I caught some beautiful brook trout, and you have to take a look at this guy. He's a beauty. Anyways, back to the wild tip. Today, this is focused on spouses. And the one thing I want you to realize is that when it comes to a spousal sponsorship application, the only thing that is super important is the genuineness of the relationship and proving it. And it's not just the genuineness of the relationship, but showing that it wasn't entered into primarily for the purposes of seeking immigration status. And so what that means is, whatever you're doing, you need to make sure you can clearly demonstrate that you didn't just get married just to help someone with their immigration. Now you'd think, obviously, Mark, that's a no-brainer, of course. But even if your relationship is genuine, if you sped it up or decided to get married quicker just to help with immigration, and somehow that's portrayed in your application, it could get it refused, even when that relationship is genuine. So, another wild tip on immigration from beautiful Crandall Lake in Waterton National Park. Mark Holthe, Canadian immigration lawyer, saying see you later.